Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm here with my family members and they gifted me Apple Watch Ultra on post birthday. This is a post birthday gift from all the family members. They contributed like 20,000 each. So we are gonna unbox it in Third Wave Coffee and shout out to Third Wave Coffee for sponsoring us today and for this amazing unboxing experience. Here we go.
Tired already.
Here we go.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice, great. So we got this cue card. This is what the we say documentation is, how the watch and what are the controls and everything. The documentation and all. Here we got. And here is the strap, and here is the watch. And this is the amazing packaging experience that we
has
all
curated.
four are experiencing right now.
Let's get to this.
All right, let's put this aside and continue with the strap first.
Watch.
Stop talking in my vlog. All right. Yep. And कैसे देख रहे हैं लोग? Grapes.
You're taking.
All right. This is the black alpine strap. And wow, what a packaging experience! Amazing.
Quality, man. Quality.
Right. Quality, yeah. This particular hinge is quite sleek. If you can see, this is quite sleek. And look at her face. All right. Now
The best
there is
thing.
the main part.
You should put this across your neck. Do not wear it on your wrist.
There we go. Here is the watch and the packaging. Let's open the packaging first.
Charger.
Designed by Apple California. These coordinates are Apple's headquarter coordinates.
जो भी कलर होगा उसके हिसाब से आप
And
charger
this is the charger.
watch और उसका back
I have specifically got the black color and it is looking amazing. Wow. Wow. So nice. Yeah.
so big.
It's really nice.
It is. And it looks nice. The dial is quite big. The screen is quite big. Not big for my hand, I believe. I have bigger forearm. All right. The detailed video will be coming soon on my channel. Stay tuned. And all thanks to
Family.
these family members who contributed 20,000. Yeah. Thank you.